Hi guys, we just made this delicious muffin. If you want to know how to make it, stay till the end. Watch till the end. If you leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you can. Stay tuned for my next video. I'll be back. Hi, it's Nathan and Brianna's kitchen. That's new because since she is gonna be not my assistant anymore, she's gonna do some of this stuff here too, just like me. So we're making a blueberry keto muffin. So yeah, I got the bowl. We just have to get flour. Wood. I have to get more. Oh wow. Okay, guys, we got the second scoop. Okay, Brianna, this time I'm gonna do it. No. Please. No. I did it before you. Okay, now, we just have to put all the dry stuff.
Yes, we need a baking powder.
Take some.
You need a 1.5 teaspoon. So one here.
And 2 times.
And then the other one will be this one because that's the half one.
Okay,
so you get the blue one and she get the pink one.
So how many times? So I get it
So
once,
just one. Yes.
And then Brianna gets it once. I got some on my hand. We don't need a knife.
It's my turn.
Actually, I do.
My turn.
Yep.
My turn.
Okay, Brianna, you get some. Get some. Don't make a mess.
Okay.
Bring it closer.
Brianna, wait. Can I help you?
No.
Bring it closer.
Closer?
Yep.
Okay, yeah, Bri. Okay.
All right, and get the salt.
Now we got some salt. Brianna's already got some. Put it in, Bri. Should we put more? Okay. Brianna, can I please do it this time?
Okay. Okay, Nathan.
So sugary.
And my turn.
Got some. No, Bri. No more. I guess so. Epic. Now, brother and Brianna will take turns mixing. Me first and then you, okay?
Okay. It's my turn.
Okay.
And don't forget the sugar.
Mix. And we also have to dump the sugar.
You do it. So.
That.
2 minutes. I do it so.
Even when she's watching, she always says 2 minutes.
I do something.
Okay, my turn. Okay. No, bro.
1.
Okay, I think that's enough stirring. Wait, can I just check, Bri? I need to check now. Putting the milk. Oh, this is Brianna. Okay, you can help, brother. Okay, that's all. Now we're gonna put the
The softened butter. It's unsalted butter.
It's unsalted butter. You have to warm it up. See, Brianna, brother. Yuck.
Yeah.
It's actually not yucky, but it's just cool.
Pizza hot.
Bro, what's your favorite video game?
Asa.
Okay, my favorite video game is Fortnite.
Hi.
So let's do this.
I have to go. Wait,
There's no.
Okay.
And some vanilla.
Yep, now we add vanilla.
Only
A little bit.
Only a little bit.
You can use the blue one.
I'll use the blue one.
And a pink one. And a pink one.
Okay,
So you gotta mix them.
I'm just mixing them.
mixing
Bri.
them.
This time it's brother. Okay. What's your favorite TV show, Bri?
Asa.
Okay. Mine is
Roblox.
no. Fortnite.
Fortnite. Okay, Fortnite.
A TV show? Fortnite?
Yeah, there's Fortnite as a TV show. Like a lot of people like Newscape Pro.
Like, it's Asa and Donna, Nova, and Fan, and Rudolph.
Okay, Brianna, stop eating.
Okay.
Okay, we're putting the blueberries.
Go.
And now I have to get the blender. And then first I'll just squish it. Okay, I better mix some. Wow. Ow. Brianna, no, we don't need that. We need this.
It's like a cream
I know.
cone.
We use this. Just get it. Probably we could get it by your hands. Nah.
No.
Let's just keep getting some.
Move to the next one.
Whoever eats this one, it's gonna be a lot of blueberries. A lot. Oh gosh.
Oh God.
I actually really like these. Like Brianna, we're gonna have no more muffins. You like ate almost the whole thing. Like, oh wow, Brianna, you almost ate the whole thing. Guys, I want to taste what it really looks like.
I'm
Like, why
gonna open the oven.
Not yet, Bri.
Okay.
It's gonna be too hot. Hi guys, my sister just keeps eating it, and I was eating a lot too when my mom was just taking over. It was so good. It's better than the regular flour, guys.
Not me.
So I'm gonna just fill that
Okay.
water. I already filled a little bit. Okay. Mitts on. Okay. Whoa, that looks hot. Okay, guys. Oh, it looks so hot. So we did it 350 Fahrenheit. Timer 1:5. Start. It'll be 15 to 18 minutes. Finally done. Wow, it looks so good and it smells so delicious. That one has so many blueberries. That one has only one. Let's take it out. Oh, and the water actually worked. It's not that hot. Wow. Guys, we're gonna. It smells so good. Okay, we're just gonna cool it and eat it later. The muffin's delicious, Mom. Okay, leave a like and subscribe. Bye.